So today's test, always a test, is I am testing the Sena backpack that was originally built for the Hero 3 and 4 on a Hero 7. We're riding into Tampa Bay to check out the aquarium and walk around and scout out some locations for some night shooting, because I do like my night shooting. All right, we're going to do another test. I didn't like the way the audio sounded yesterday. It seemed a little, I don't know. It was kind of low, and I realized I never did get around to testing the GoPro set on powered mic, which it is now. So we're going to take a ride, short ride, and see how it sounds. Now, everything I did around town, so bright. Everything I did around town sounded good, but not great. And I had it sounding great on the way down and on the phone itself. So I figured there's always room for tweaking. So what I did was I increased the sensitivity on the actual Sena itself to maximum. It has 3 settings, low, medium, and high. It was on medium. And I set the GoPro to powered mic. Let's see how it sounds. I know it'll sound better with the helmet closed. I do know that. But let's test it out. Hey, dog. Come on, buddy, get me, run, 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 run. Good job, good job. Hey, man, these dogs is a boring life when you're locked up. Chase a motorcycle. As long as you don't let him take you down, he won't take you down. He's not gonna bite you, he just wants to run, chase something. Noise control mode. Now, before, noise control mode didn't sound all that wonderful. But this is it now, with mic sensitivity turned up and power mic going into the GoPro. So let's see how it sounds. It didn't sound good with the iPhone. I'm pretty sure it's not going to sound good here. So this is noise control mode. And this is UHD mode, which is high def mode. And so we'll give it a little comparison. Look at all the settings and find out which ones we finally settle on. Okay. All right. I think we tested the good audio, HD audio. We tested noise control mode. We have the mic turned up. Face shield's wide open, so it's not going to get noisier or windier than this, except maybe now. Okay, so this is as windy as it'll probably ever be. There's no windshield in front of me. You're looking at my, excuse me, my big belly. And, I don't know. I don't know how it sounds. I'll find out when I get home, though. All right, there you have it. The Sena backpack is mounted to the back of any enclosure you have with Velcro. It's very light, it won't fall off. And you use a standard GoPro Hero 3 or 4 mic adapter. Plug it into the backpack, into your standard GoPro mic adapter. And you have
a working wireless helmet to camera system. It's good for vlogging. You can also plug it into your iPhone or your Droid, and you can live stream. It's cool if you live someplace with good internet. Nobody's really live streaming. I saw one guy who did it like once, but nobody does it regularly. It could be your niche if you want to be famous. I myself, I'm more of a behind the scenes guy, but I know how to do it. You need any help, you let me know. Thanks for watching.